Hello, welcome back to my channel. I had a Temu haul and darn it, cat hair. Look at that. Oh, actually that was my hair. And I got this unicorn, which I argued with myself because I thought it was a heart, but no, it was a unicorn and I'd forgotten I'd ordered it because I'm a muppet. And this bowl, absolute godsend. So thank you to the lady that sent it me through my wish list. I haven't said your name because I didn't actually ask if you wanted me to say your name, so let me know if you do next time. If there is a next time. So thank you very much. It's absolutely brilliant. I'm putting my water in. I am not measuring. I don't measure. I'm absolutely rubbish at it. So anything involved with numbers, not happening. So I just chuck it in until it gets to the consistency that I need it to be. Oh my days. Yes, my nails are ditched, as per usual. I've been faffing. That's why you can see this brand new mat is now covered in muck. And I can't get it off because it's gone into the grooves. So yeah, I'm using resin crete, Jdiction, colourants. I thought I'd add it to the water first. Don't know why. Just thought it might work. I wanted black. Didn't get black. Definitely didn't get black. So I'm on the lookout for something that makes things black. Because I didn't actually want to have to paint it, but oh well. So I'm mixing in the colour and it looks okay. And I thought maybe it'd be more black once I put my powder in. Even though I know black and white, add them together makes what colour? Grey. It makes grey. Of course it does. My brain was not working this day. So yeah, I'm chucking me plaster of Paris in because I'm using plaster of Paris. And for some reason it was not coming out of the pot, so then I just dumped it in. But it's good stuff. I like it. I really do like it. And obviously that's not enough, so I dump another one in. And I will have a lot left over, and I do a video of more with what I've used. Yeah, with what's left over. That's what I'm trying to say. And you can see black is now grey. And of course, you add more white and it gets more grey. I was such a dummy. Such a dummy. I don't know what I was thinking. My brain just was not computing black and white makes grey. I'm having one of them weeks where my brain either hurts, doesn't work, or is fueling on lack of sleep. And you can see I've got lumps. Just squash it up at the side and it's fine. All sorted. And it doesn't really matter if lumps go into it anyway, it still sets. It's good. It's idiot proof and I'm the idiot. So yeah, that's still not quite what I want it to be. So you'll have to excuse this camera. I've got it on no something or others and it's still that on me. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I mean, I've only been doing this in January. You think I should be knowing what I'm doing by now. So I add more black. And it's darker, don't get me wrong. Yeah, it's definitely darker. But then I add more white. See? Idiot. Because, of course, black and white make grey. And if you can hear those dogs, I do apologise. They're next door. They yap, yap, yap all the time. It's a wonder I'm not going insane. Good job they're cute. And one of them's called Elvis. Why would you call your dog Elvis? I'm going to get people shouting at me now. I'm just not an Elvis fan. I can't help it. Give me some heavy metal and I'm quite happy. So yeah, I've got it all over me stick, my stirry stick. And it is getting to the consistency I want. And I'm sorry this is taking so long, me mixing a bowl of muck. And there goes the screen again. Oh, I'm sorry for anybody that has eye problems, because this is doing my head in too. I'm gonna have to figure out a way of doing it so I don't keep catching the uppy downy bit. I don't even know what it's called, see? Tech phobe, total tech phobe. And yes, that was a lump. And now I'm adding more. So then it ends up being more grey. Very nice light grey, which is actually quite nice. I like the grey, don't get me wrong, I like it. But I want black. So do I end up having to paint it? And you'll see some of the painting process. And I do it with the tiniest brush in the world. Now I must want my head red. Now it's getting a bit thicker, so now I'm squishing all the bits to the side, trying to get rid of the lumpy lumps. Because you don't really want lumpy lumps. It's better if you don't have them. Why am I talking like a child? Oh, I don't know. So yeah, I'm trying to squish as much as possible. And when I picked this up, good God, it's heavy. Didn't realise just how much I'd put in here. See, that's what not measuring gets you. Yeah, there's lots of lumps and the bubbles. Bubbles! I'm doing it again. Bubbles. The bubbles are popping when they come to the surface. That's really good. Really good. So soon I should be pouring it in. I promise. I will. We'll pour it in. I'm getting there. Honest. Yeah, I think I'm done with my stirring. So yeah, I'm putting this in here. And what I'll do is I'll pour it in. Well, I say pour it in slowly, but yeah, it's a bit heavy for my hands, so I kind of dump it in. But I'm trying to get it all up to the sides, trying to get rid of some bubbles. Oh, I said it right that time. And you can see there's lumps going in. Don't stress about that, it's fine. And I'm going to give it another quick squeeze. And I don't know what I'm doing with my fingers there. Oh yeah, I'm trying to get it off the mat, but it was suctioned. Because this is soft and squishy, really soft and squishy. So when you put it on your mat, it sort of like goes a, and then that's it. It won't get off. So yeah, more lumps. Oh dear, I'll get that in a bit. See, squishing it. And it's just need a bit of a bish bash bosh. Try and get them bubbles to come up. And I just put a tiny blob more in. And I'm popping them bubbles. Oh, it looks wobbly. Looks very wobbly. Ta-da! Finished. It's in. And that's me saying I'm going to fill other bits up and show you them, but not in this one. So I started to peel it and then realised I need to actually press record on camera. It's still just slightly warm. Look at the state of my nails. They're disgusting. I'm a crafter. I can't help it. But look how easy. This is so easy to get off. And you just roll it down. Plop, plop, plop. Oh, see them teeth. I do like this. Now, it looks quite messy at the bottom, but it's not. It's the pattern of the hair and stuff. You can see it. But look, it pops right back. And look at my unicorn. Oh, see, I could have left it grey. It looks really nice. And there's not many bubbles. And what I'm going to do is I tried with a toothpick, which I can't find now. And I thought, no, don't do that. You'll snap the head off or something. But I don't. I use something else, a file, I think. And you can see there's a bit of room on the bottom where there's a bit of overpour. Yes, for once I said it. And there's a couple of little dimples, but I will file them down. And the nose is slightly broken, so I file that too, so it looks better. I was not very careful taking the nose out. That's my error completely. But yeah, there's quite a few bubbles, but I file them down and make them look a bit better. So yeah, you don't see them as bad when I'm done. And the nose is a bit more rounded off now. But yeah, look at it. She's so cute. So cute. I am going to do a resin one as well with that floating glitter stuff. Because I think it'll look lovely as a light. And I can't wait to do that. But I've got so many bits and bobs on the go at the minute. I've got to try and get them finished first. So yeah, it's a bit damp on the bottom, so I've got to leave it to dry. I'll say at least 24 hours, and then I'll paint it. Well, I'll seal it and then paint it. It'll look cool. I think it looks cool. So yeah, now I'm painting it black with the tiniest brush in the world. But I'm going to leave you to watch me paint it, and then I'll take some photos and a little video thingy so you can see it at the end. And I'll leave you with that. Don't forget to check out the Halloween collab from Mini Scenes GB. I'm part of that as well, as long as a lot of other fantastic artists, new and old. Well, I say old, people that know, that have been around a bit longer. So keep an eye out for that. And my Alice in Wonderland will be out on Thursday. So enjoy the rest of this video, and I shall see you next time. Bye!
In a world of shadows, light does sing. A goth unicorn with a blackened wing. Happy she dances under moonlit nights, creating beauty, spurring on delight. Her hooves step softly to the softest bells, crafting wonders in her secret spells. From threads of silver and whispers bright, a tapestry woven in the dark of night. Her hooves step softly to the softest bells, crafting wonders in her secret spells. From threads of silver and whispers bright, a tapestry woven in the dark of night. Goth unicorn in midnight hue, mixing magic in the morning dew, with raven feathers and twilight beats. She makes beautiful things from all the seas. Glitter spills from ebony mane, beauty flowing like a gentle rain. Out of darkness comes her right beats, creating loveliness from the heart. With eyes like onyx, she sees it all, turning darkness to a softened floor. Uses new materials, both old and new. Her hands and hooves, they always knew. Goth unicorn in midnight hue, mixing magic in the morning dew, with raven feathers and twilight beats. unicorn with a blackened wing. Happy she dances under moonlit nights, creating beauty spurring on delight. Her hooves tap softly to the softest bells, crafting wonders in her secret spell.